Welcome to How to Draw Celtic Patterns. I'm your host Jason Bellchamber, and we're dealing again with drawing Celtic animals. In this case we've got the 7th to 8th century stag. It's a Pictish stag, and the Picts were the Celts which lived in northeast Scotland. If you want to print off this picture, just go to my website at bellchamber.net, capital Vigeanstag. So it's vigeanstag.jpg. You can follow the links from bellchamber.net/art as well. What you're going to need is a straight edge, a couple different thicknesses of pigment liners. In this case I've got a 0.3 and a 0.5. Thank you to Stapler. And then I've got a Stapler eraser. And you're going to want a mechanical pencil of some kind. In order to make this easier for us to draw, we're going to make this drawing into quarters. So what I want you to do is use your 0.3 draw a crosshatch so we know where the halfway marks are. And then we're going to start to make a grid. Of 2 by 2 cubes. You can find this design at Wikipedia and other sites as well. There's a few spots on it that I want you to take your pigment liner and just draw over where the stone has eroded. Namely, we're going to look up here where the, we don't know exactly what happens here. But like a tree, stag horns usually are smaller at the end. That one's straight enough. When we look at the feet, we can see that this one has the hoof likely tucked underneath like this. This hoof is here. There's the rump and the tail, but the back leg, and just draw over top of this, likely looks like this, and there's the hoof of it, right? Now, how are you going to be able to see black on black when I'm doing this? You'll be able to feel free to just sketch it yourself, okay? If there's any other lines we want to fill in, these little curly cues that are indicative for Iron Age Celtic motifs, let's draw them in a bit so that we know what we're drawing. Because once we get into the zone, it's going to be hard to concentrate as distinguishing one little dot with another little dot. So this line here likely is part of a damage. So I think that this actually would go up, form another one of our Celtic curly cues. And there's another one across the breast of our stag. This would be a great design that you could use to draw on a personalized Yule card or Christmas card, or just a piece of art for yourself as well in beginning to draw Celtic animals. I've got a lot of lines. Okay, so in the next video what we're going to do is set up the grid to draw it. What I'm going to do is just go in a little bigger. So we're going to be transforming this to a grid of whatever size that you want. I'm going to draw it smaller though. Please join me in the next video.